I bet you've never thought about your muscles quite like this before. Sure, we all know muscles help us move and look good in a tank top, but there's so much more going on beneath the surface. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to take you on a wild ride through the microscopic world of muscle science. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly are muscles? Well, they're not just those things that make you look good at the beach. Muscles are incredible biological machines that allow us to move, breathe, and even keep our hearts beating. They're made up of long, stringy fibers that can contract and relax, kind of like a bunch of rubber bands working together. But wait, there's more. These fibers are bundled into fascicles, which are then bundled into the whole muscle. It's like a Russian nesting doll of strength. Now you might be wondering, how do my muscles know when to flex? Well, it all starts in your brain. Your brain is like the ultimate puppet master, controlling every single movement you make. When you decide to lift that dumbbell, your brain sends a signal down your spinal cord and through special cells called motor neurons. These motor neurons are like the body's electrical wiring system. They carry the message from your brain all the way to your muscles. Let's talk about gains, baby. Muscle growth or hypertrophy is what happens when you challenge your muscles. When you lift weights or do resistance training, you're actually causing tiny microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Now before you freak out, this is a good thing. Your body sees these tears and thinks, oh no, we're under attack. So it jumps into repair mode. But here's the kicker. Your body doesn't just repair the muscle to its original state. When muscles aren't used regularly, they start to shrink. This process is called atrophy. Your body is super efficient and doesn't want to waste resources on muscles it thinks you don't need. This is why consistent exercise is so important, especially as we age. Use it or lose it, folks. If you've ever had a cast, you might have noticed smaller muscles when it came off. An eccentric contraction happens when a muscle lengthens under tension. Think about lowering a dumbbell during a bicep curl. Eccentric contractions cause more microscopic damage to muscle fibers than other types of contractions. Remember what we said about damage leading to repair and growth? Bingo! Focusing on the lowering phase of exercises can be super effective for building muscle. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. When it comes to muscles, this couldn't be more true. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are like the Lego blocks of your body. Your body uses these amino acids to repair and build muscle tissue, but it's not just about protein. Your body also needs carbs for energy and fats for hormone production. It's all about balance, people. Now let's dive into the world of hormones. These chemical messengers play a huge role in muscle growth. IGF is like a general contractor for your muscles, overseeing growth and repair. Testosterone, on the other hand, is like the foreman on this construction site. It boosts protein synthesis. Both men and women produce testosterone, just in different amounts. So ladies, don't shy away from the weights. Alright, time for a plot twist. One of the most important parts of building muscle happens when you're not doing anything at all. That's right, I'm talking about rest and sleep. When you're catching those Z's, your body goes into repair overdrive. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Your muscles will thank you. Here's where things get personal. While the basic principles of muscle growth are the same for everyone, how quickly and easily you build muscle can vary a lot from person to person. Age is a big factor. As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at building muscle. But don't worry, you can still make gains at any age. Gender also plays a role, mainly due to hormonal differences. And then there's the genetic lottery. Some people are just naturally more muscular or respond better to training. Let's put it all together with what I like to call the muscle growth cycle. Tear, eat right, rest, repeat. First, you challenge your muscles with exercise, causing those microscopic tears. Then, you fuel your body with the right nutrients to support repair. Next, you rest and allow your body to do its rebuilding magic. And finally, you repeat the process, gradually increasing the challenge to keep those gains coming. It's a simple concept, but it takes dedication and consistency to see results. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are six-pack abs. Time to geek out about motor units. A motor unit is a motor neuron and all the muscle fibers it controls. Think of it like a team. The neuron is the coach, and the muscle fibers are the players. When you're doing light work, your brain only recruits a few motor units. But when you're trying to lift something heavy, it calls in the reserves. This is why proper form and mind-muscle connection are so important in weightlifting. The better you can recruit those motor units, the more effective your lifts will be. Let's zoom in even further and talk about cytokines. These are small proteins released by cells that play a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. When you work out and cause those micro tears in your muscles, your body releases cytokines as part of the inflammatory response. Now, inflammation gets a bad rap, but in this case, it's a good thing. These cytokines are like the foreman of a construction site, directing other cells to come in and start the repair process. Remember how we said muscles grow when you challenge them? Well, that's where progressive overload comes in. This principle is the secret sauce to continuous gains. The idea is simple. Gradually increase the demands on your muscles over time. This could mean lifting heavier weights, doing more reps, or even just improving your form. Your body is incredibly adaptable. If you keep doing the same workout over and over, your muscles will be like, been there, done that. Alright, let's bring it all home with some practical tips. First, consistency is key. It's better to work out regularly with moderate intensity than to go all out once in a blue moon. Second, focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups. Think squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. These give you more bang for your buck. Third, don't neglect nutrition and rest. Remember, muscles grow when you're recovering, not when you're in the gym. And finally, be patient. Building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of muscle science, from the microscopic tears that lead to growth, to the hormones and proteins that make it all happen. Remember, building muscle isn't just about looking good. It's about being stronger, healthier, and more capable in your daily life. So whether you're aiming for bodybuilder status or just want to open jars more easily, I hope this video has given you the knowledge to kickstart your muscle building journey. Now get out there and put that science into action. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into muscle madness, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep those muscles guessing.